You ever talk to a girl and walk away feeling confused as hell? Like, was she actually into me, or am I just overthinking everything again? She laughed a little too much. She stayed a little longer than she needed to. Her energy felt different, softer, warmer, but still nothing obvious happened. And now your brain is replaying the entire interaction on repeat, trying to decode every little detail like it's some unsolved mystery. Listen to me carefully. You're not crazy, and you're definitely not imagining things. Girls do show signs when they want you to make a move. They just don't spell it out for you. They expect you to feel the shift, read the moment, and step up. And if you've ever walked away thinking, "Damn, I should have made a move," then trust me, this video is about to hit way too close to home. Before we get into the signs, let me say this clearly. I'm not making this video based on random dating books or recycled internet advice. Everything I'm about to tell you comes from real-life experience, moments I've personally lived through, things I've seen happen with my friends, and a lot of honest conversations with girls who straight up explained what they were actually feeling in those moments. So when I say these signs are real, it's because I've seen them happen again and again. Today, I'm breaking down 7 signs she actually wants you to make a move, and by the end, you're probably going to realize how many opportunities you missed without even knowing it. Let's get into it. Look, man, you're not Dave Chappelle. You're not dropping world-class comedy out here. But for some reason, she laughs like you're the funniest guy alive. And I'm not talking about a polite ha-ha. I'm talking about the lean-in laugh, eyes soft, big smile. That laugh that feels a little too genuine. That's not humor. That's attraction leaking out. Girls laugh harder when they want the interaction to feel smooth. They're subconsciously helping things flow. They're giving you permission to keep going. If she's laughing at jokes you wouldn't even laugh at yourself, yeah, bro, that's a green light. Sign number 2. Her phone suddenly doesn't exist. We live in an era where people check their phones during funerals. Attention span is dead. So when a girl is genuinely into you, it shows. You're talking and